What's up, guys? Desperado here. Decided I'm going to go ahead and do a couple of live scratches for you guys. I got two of these Explosion De Dinero from the Texas Lottery, and again, if I didn't say that right, well, I don't speak a Spanish, so I couldn't really help you with that. But anyway, guys, you guys have seen this on my channel before. I got two tickets on the same roll, 18 and 19. Uh, Odds on this ticket, of course, are 1 in 3.64, which is kind of high for one of the $10 tickets. But I have beaten the odds on this game. I mean, I've already won $500 on this game twice, um, which is on my camera roll, so you should be able to see that on my channel. But of course, you get a 5x or 10x, it's doubled. And on the top, we get the bonus symbols. You match two, you win the prize. So, and one thing I will say, guys, just so that you guys know, yes, they do have the mythical white line on here. But for those of you guys who don't know, don't buy into the mythical white line theory, whichever you guys do. I've seen plenty of tickets on not just on this one, but on the Texas Lottery altogether that are not winners, especially on this ticket. So, like I say, it's just a myth, so let's not get too excited on that. Alright, guys, so here's what we gonna do. Let me fix my camera here. See if we match two. We get a club. No love. No dice. Tasty, but not what we need. Alright, guys. Now we get to match numbers. Let's see how it go. We get single deuce, pocket threes, pocket aces, pocket deuces, and 38. Alright, let's see if we can match. We get 47, 43, 46, niner, and a quattro. Get a 6, 3, 9, 14, 24, 31. Not what we need. 37, 27, 20, 7, and 45. Negative. Got 40 ounce, 28, 12, 36, and 32. So that one is a piece of crap. Alright, we're going to go on to ticket number 19. Let's see if this one can actually help us. Diamonds are not a man's best friend. Lemon and pineapple. I don't think I want to try that. But we definitely ain't clubbing, so. Alright, let's go down to the match and win. We have a quattro, 38, 21, blackjack, 41, and shout out to Oscar Scratcher Texas, or Oscar Texas Scratcher, sorry. That's your favorite number, so let's see if you're going to help me pull through here. Alrighty. 12, 8, 19, 37, and pocket aces. 20, pocket fours, 40, we needed that on the last one. No, we didn't. 3, and 30. 31, 15, 16, 27, 23. Well, niner, 7, 17, 28, and a 26. Well, you can't win them all, guys. That's all I can say. You can't win them all. But that's alright. Things happen. So, maybe next time we'll get something. In the meantime, guys, check out the Slot Machine Guy. He actually does some decent content too, scratching off live tickets. Had a good session the other day. I don't know how to link them, so I'll just tell you to search for the Slot Machine Guy. And I'll put that in the description below. Also, guys, since I got a few subscribers now, I'm up to 41 subscribers. And for those of you guys who are new to the channel, thanks for subscribing. I'm going to go ahead and pull the same thing Oscar's doing. And, you guys can actually ask me anything that you want, as long as if it doesn't involve sex, religion, or politics. I'll do my best to answer it for you guys. So, like, comment, subscribe, share. Take care of yourself and each other. And once again, thanks for watching.